The mountain demands protection, and increasingly, riders are turning to integrated snowboard helmet and goggle combinations for seamless safety and vision. These bundles eliminate the gap between helmet and goggles, the dreaded gaper gap, ensuring consistent warmth, maximum protection, and anti-fog performance across changing conditions. This guide evaluates 5 popular helmet goggle sets. Product number 1. Gyro Ledge Ski Helmet, snowboarding helmet for men, women, and youth. The Gyro Ledge is a tried and true helmet, often bundled with a compatible gyro goggle, though sold separately, it forms a popular combo. The Ledge utilizes hard shell construction for maximum durability and impact resistance, making it ideal for park riders and aggressive terrain. While it doesn't feature MIPS technology in its standard offering, it meets stringent ASTM and CE safety standards. Key features include stack vent technology to prevent goggle fogging and a removable Auto-Lock 2 fit system for easy adjustment and removing the ear pads and lining for warmer days. This is a classic skate-style helmet appreciated for its low-profile look and reliable performance, offering excellent value as a base for any goggle pairing. Product number 2. Odolin Ski Helmet and Goggles Set. Snowboard helmet glasses for men, women, and youth. Shockproof, windproof gear for skiing, snowboarding. Set 1. The Odolin set provides excellent value and entry-level safety in a ready-to-use package. Designed for the casual or beginner rider, the helmet features standard ABS shell construction with an EPS foam liner that meets basic shockproof standards. The included goggles are designed to fit perfectly with the helmet, offering UV 400 protection and an anti-fog coating on the lens. Fit is managed via an adjustable dial at the back, ensuring a snug, safe fit for various head sizes. Ventilation is decent, utilizing fixed vents to prevent overheating. This combo is highly recommended for riders seeking a no-fuss, affordable solution that offers immediate protection without the need to match separate pieces. Product number 3. Snower Ski Helmet with Goggles, 2-in-1 snowboard helmet and visor goggles combo, adjustable fit and ventilation system, snow helmets for men and women. The Snower 2-in-1 stands out due to its integrated visor goggle system, eliminating the gaper gap entirely and making it extremely convenient for riders who wear prescription glasses underneath. The visor is prominently attached via hinges, offering easy flip-up access. The helmet itself features an ABS shell and a sophisticated adjustable ventilation system that allows riders to actively manage airflow and temperature with a simple slide control. The fit is customizable via a rear dial, ensuring optimal comfort and safety. With CE certification and a sleek, modern aesthetic, the Snower combo offers an innovative solution that prioritizes convenience and high visibility. Product number 4. Odolin Ski Helmet and Goggle Set, snowboard helmet glasses for men, women, and youth. Shockproof, windproof gear for skiing, snowboarding. Set 2. We feature the Odolin set again because its consistent high rating reflects its reliability as a budget-friendly workhorse. Like the first mention, this bundle offers a complete, matched system straight out of the box, ensuring perfect helmet-goggle integration. It features a lightweight yet durable ABS shell and a thick, comfortable inner lining. The included goggles offer reliable windproof and anti-fog performance, essential for clear vision on the slopes. The quick-release buckle and easily adjustable sizing dial make securing and removing the helmet simple, even with gloves on. This combination is consistently praised for providing reliable. Product number 5. Van Rora Ski Helmet and Goggle Set, safety-certified snowboard helmet, interchangeable lens ski goggles for men and women. The Van Rora set elevates the combo concept by including interchangeable goggle lenses, giving riders flexibility to adapt to diverse lighting conditions, sunny, cloudy, flat light, without buying a second pair of goggles. The helmet is safety certified, ASTM 2040 and CEN 1077, and features a refined adjustable ventilation system. The goggles utilize a magnetic lens system for quick swaps, a significant convenience upgrade. The helmet's interior padding is plush and removable for washing, enhancing long-term hygiene and comfort. This premium-feeling set offers exceptional versatility and feature depth for the discerning rider who demands adaptability, easy maintenance,